Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to harvest some Jerusalem artichokes and I'm gonna ferment them. So as you can see, these are pretty small. Usually you've got really huge ones. I only planted these this year, so I'm gonna have a small harvest. I've got much bigger ones in my garden, but I don't fancy digging the soil today, so today I've got it in sort of planter. And yes, I can't wait to ferment them. I always make a soup from them, but I never tried fermented method, and somebody else tried it and I'm really keen to try it on as well, so let's go. Okay, so what I find out, you can see the white ones. These are the ones which I was harvesting, and I thought maybe I wouldn't have enough. So I went for the purple ones as well. These ones, the bigger ones, which I had somewhere else, and I said I don't fancy really digging today, but I had to. So they are nicely washed. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna weigh them and put them in food processor and grate them. And for 1 kilo of vegetable, I apply between 15 to 20 grams of salt and just put them in my lovely fermenting crock. So now I'm gonna grate it in the food processor. I am dissolving some salt in warm water in the meantime. I find some ginger, so I slice it up and I'm gonna put a few of these inside. And for seasoning, I've got turmeric, then I've got some paprika, and I found some cumin. If you've got fennel, it's really good. I couldn't find any, so I'm going for cumin. So let's go. And I also find some yarrow leaves, so I'm gonna put a few into the mixture. Okay, and this oxidized quite quickly, so I put it into lemony water in the meantime. And now I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And now I'm just gonna put it tightly into the crock. I've got some gloves on. I don't want to have my hands yellow from the turmeric. And squeeze it all in, so I make sure there are no air bubbles. Now everything is in, so I'm gonna slowly put the water in, making sure everything is submerged. And you can see everything is nicely in. And what I usually do, I usually put old cabbage leaf on the top, making sure everything is submerged. Unfortunately, I don't have cabbage leaf at the moment, but I think I've got some lettuce, so I put some lettuce leaf on the top before I put the weights on. So lettuce leaf will come in, and then I will insert the weights, making sure everything stays under the water. I know lettuce leaf, it's very random, but when there is nothing else at home, that will do. And now I'm gonna put the weights on. And check this out. Everything is in, nothing is floating on the top. So I'm just gonna put the lid on, and I'm just gonna fill the rim with water, and I will keep checking the level, and if the water is not there, I will just top it up. I will leave it for 3 weeks, and that's it. And that's it. I will mark my calendar, and in 3 weeks time I'm gonna put it into jars. Of course, I'm gonna have a taste, have a little nibble, and put the rest into the fridge. And I can't wait because I ran out of my homemade fermented veg, and I think next batch I will make a cabbage. I already done cabbage in the past, but I fancy something different. Let me know in the comments below, do you ferment Jerusalem artichokes yourself? If so, what is your favorite combination? Let me know. I hope you find it useful. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, share with your friends and family, spread some love. Thank you so much for tuning in, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.